Hello everyone, it's Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center. So I've been asked what is the best place to put Botox. If you've never done it before, really it matters on what we're trying to fix. That's really the best place to put Botox for you. So for example, if you tend to frown a lot and have 11 lines, then that is where I would place it because it'll help relax that muscle. And then over time, those wrinkles will go away. Or if you're doing it preventively, then those wrinkles won't form over time. Some patients get lines when they lift their eyebrows and they get the horizontal lines on the forehead. So that's another really great place to place the Botox. And then of course the crow's feet. I love placing it in the lower face, especially for that depressed or angularis oris muscle, which makes us sometimes look like we have a down frown even when we don't intend to. And we can also place the Botox around the mouth area in the lips to help prevent smoker's lines or those lines that form from puckering. And we can even use it to treat, for example, some patients have a gummy smile where they might be overusing some of their muscles around the nasalis area, and we can place a tiny bit of Botox and it's super helpful. We also use it for patients who want to slim their jawline, or if they just grind their teeth a lot, or they have a lot of tension and TMJ issues, then we will place it right here in the lateral face. And we can also place Botox in the neck for patients who have a lot of the banding of the neck muscles kind of showing. And sometimes patients come in for things like headaches, tension headaches, migraines, or tense muscles even in their neck or scapula area. And those are all areas we can inject Botox very nicely to help relax those muscles. I recently had a patient who had a lot of pain in her hip area, and we actually injected along the areas where she felt the muscle tension, and it helped her tremendously. She had been trying all kinds of physical therapy and other treatments, and it really wasn't helping. But once we put the Botox, it kind of broke that cycle and has made a huge improvement in her life. We also use Botox in the hands, the palms, or the scalp, or any place where you have excess sweating, and it can help to reduce that. Of course, a very popular area for that is also the underarms. So and there are more areas, of course. We can pretty much inject Botox anywhere, but the number one criteria is really what are we trying to fix? And that's really the best place to inject the Botox for you.